Hello yogis, and welcome to the YOGATX YouTube channel. My name is Jill Enticknap, the lead trainer at Yoga Institute, an online yoga school and studio, and I am super happy to be here with you on the YOGATX channel. This practice is all about the neck and the shoulders. I wanted to create a short video for you to help release tension, bring mobility into the neck and shoulders. So this will be a seated practice. We'll move quite quickly, but the intention is to work through and release some tension through the neck and shoulders. So from that seated position, let's inhale, get nice and tall through the crown of the head, and on your exhale, tuck your chin to your chest. And inhale, lift your nose to the ceiling. And exhale, tuck your chin to your chest. One more, inhale, lift your nose to the ceiling. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest. Chin comes through center. Let's gaze over the left shoulder and walk the right fingertips away. Draw your gaze down toward the floor, tucking your chin toward your chest, and then up toward the ceiling, opening up through your throat. Bring it back to neutral, back through center. Right hand comes down to the right knee. Left hand walks away, gazing to the left. Let's tuck the chin to the chest, gazing down to the floor. Inhale, lift the nose up toward the ceiling, open through the throat. Come back to neutral, head through center, hand comes down. Inhale, shoulders to ears, and exhale, roll them back and down. And again, inhale, shoulders to ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Let's do one more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Clasping your hands together behind your back, draw your shoulder blades together, lift your chin toward the ceiling. Feel that opening through the chest. Really drawing the hands back, shoulder blades toward one another. Deep breath in, feel the chest expand. Full breath out, feel it release. Release your palms. Inhale, extend your arms up overhead. Exhale, cactus out the arms. Draw the shoulder blades together. Inhale, extend. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, extend. Exhale, cactus. Inhale, extend. Exhale, cactus. Let's inhale here. Exhale, bring the fingertips to touch like you're hugging a barrel, and inhale back to that cactus. Exhale, fingertips to touch, press the spine back. Inhale back to your cactus. Exhale, fingertips to touch, hug the barrel. Inhale back to your cactus. Exhale, flip your palms backward, scarecrow. Inhale, palms come back up, cactus. Exhale, palms flip back, scarecrow. Inhale, back up, cactus. One more, exhale, scarecrow. Inhale, cactus. Let's take that right hand, reach across to the left shoulder, left hand to the right shoulder. Inhale, lift both shoulders up, lifting your gaze. See if you can even press your forearm into your chin as you lift up. And then exhale, round the spine and tuck the elbows down into the chest. Inhale, lift it back up. Exhale, round and tuck. One more, inhale, lift it back up. And exhale, round and tuck. Come through center. Elbows or forearms are parallel to the floor, and we're going to switch out the arms. Take that right hand, place it on top of the left, and inhale, lift the elbows up, tilt the chin up, and exhale, round the spine back, draw the elbows into the ribs. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, round it in. One more, inhale, lift it up. And exhale, round it in. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Tee out your arms, palm facing down. Inhale, flip the palms up. Exhale, flip the palms back. Inhale up, find this full range of motion, find this full circle. And flip it up, and flip it back. And flip it up, and flip it back. Inhale, arms sweep up. Take that right hand, reach for the midline of the back. Left hand reaches for that elbow and draw the elbow in and down. Take 2 deep breaths. Tucking the chin to the chest, gazing to the floor. And we'll switch it out. Left hand reaches for the midline of the back. Take that right hand, draw it in and down. Deep breath in. Full breath out. And again, deep breath in. Full breath out. Inhale, arms sweep up. Let's plant that right hand down. Left hand reaches, lift with your gaze. Reach with those fingertips. Create length through the side body. Inhale through center. Exhale, left hand down. Right hand reaches. Lengthen, lift the gaze. Inhale through center. Let those hands come down. Inhale, shoulders to ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. And again, inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Palms press at heart center. Do some figure eights with the wrists. Change direction. Press the palms forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend right. Inhale through center. Exhale, bend left. Inhale through center. Release the hands down. Let's press those palms at heart center. Tuck the chin to the chest. Take a deep breath in. Close down the eyes. Full breath out. And one more deep breath in. And full breath out. Take a moment to acknowledge your practice, acknowledge any awareness that came through. If you have tight shoulders, if this felt good in your body, know that you can come back to it over and over, and it will create more mobility, range of motion, ease of movement through the neck and the shoulders. Thank you for being with us here on the YOGATX YouTube channel. Again, my name is Jill Enticknap, the lead trainer and founder at Yoga Institute, an online yoga school and studio. I appreciate you for showing up on your mat, for doing something wonderful, not only for your physical self, but your whole well-being. The light, the love, the wisdom in me sees, honors, reflects, and encourages the light, the love, the wisdom in you. Namaste. I hope to see you again on your mats very, very soon. And until then, may your light be your guide.